If you want to connect the Samsung Health app to the Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, on your smartphone, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install the Samsung Health app. And once you finish installing the Samsung Health app, just tap on Open. Tap on Sign In. Now just sign into the same Samsung account which you have signed into in your Galaxy Wearable app. Let's come back over here. Then tap on Sign In with Google. From here, just select your email account. Now just tap on Continue. And as you can see, accounts connected. Now just tap on Continue. From here, just select All. Then tap on Next. Tap on Continue. And give this app all these permissions to work properly. Now just select what you want to focus on. You can select sleep, overall health, exercise, or healthy weight. For example, I will select exercise, then tap on Next. Tap on Start, and select Agree. Tap on Settings, then enable this toggle. After that, just go back. And as you can see, we have successfully connected our Samsung Health app to the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. And from here, you can check your health data, like your steps, your sleep data, and much more. And this is how you can connect the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 to the Samsung Health app. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.